What happens when you neglect to fund a trust? Well, you defeat the purpose of the trust. A trust is a document created, at least in some portion or some idea, to avoid probate, to protect assets, to pass what you have in this life on to loved ones, friends, family, at some future point, right? Most frequently timed with the death of the person. It doesn't have to be. You could say, you could fund your trust and say, upon my oldest child reaching the age of 50, I'd like to give them the sum of $50,000. $50,000 for 50 years old, right? The maker of the trust hopefully is still alive during that event, that occasion. Now, if you neglect to fund the trust, you take the upfront work, effort to take the asset that you have in your individual name and place it into the name of the trust. And it causes back-end administrative work. You have to file a probate petition. You have to go through the surrogates court. Here in New York, that's what we call it. You have to spend months of time trying to rectify that situation. And if you neglect to fund a trust, you don't get the present day value and benefit of the trust, which in some instances is to safeguard and protect assets, asset protection. In other instances, maybe I'll use a new word. On other occasions, you may want to avoid probate. Well, if the trust has nothing in it, it's kaput. It's a legally created document with zero value. So you won't avoid probate and you won't secure asset protection. That's the consequences of neglecting to fund your trust. If you'd like to talk about this or any other issue with having to do with elder law or estate planning, line up, frankbrunolaw.com.